Hello guys. Welcome to our YouTube channel.
Hey guys, making it simple, let's get started by building our own audiobook with just few lines of coding using Python. So let's get started. To build an audiobook using Python, we need a Python editor and Python to be installed in our computer. Heading on to any browser, search python.org to download Python in your system. Here I already downloaded and installed Python for my system. And now let me head over to my console and check whether the Python has been installed properly or not. Open command prompt and type python version. You will find the exact version you have downloaded. Next, we need a code editor called PyCharm to be installed in our computer. Heading on to a browser, search PyCharm download and get started with the current version of downloading PyCharm. Head over to a community version so that it is free, open source. Here I have already downloaded and installed PyCharm for my system. I'm heading over to my project. Open PyCharm and create a new project called Audiobook. It will take some time to create your own project. Once the audiobook has been created successfully, let's head over to some Python consoles to be installed in your terminal. Once the project has been successfully created, you will see a pop-up window main.py. Select all of these and backspace it. To check that Python has been working properly or not, let's print a small statement named hello guys. Print it and just run it in your system. So we get the output called hello guys. It's working. Now let's get started to code our audiobook. We need some command to be installed in our terminal so that the features of the audiobook should run properly. I'll provide the link in the description. Once the command has been installed successfully, import that statement. Now let's check our imported command works properly or not. For that, let's test the system by just saying hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel.
Hello guys. Welcome to our YouTube channel.
And now let's head over to a PDF file. I'll provide these links in the description. To run a PDF file as an audiobook, we need a command to be installed in our system. So it's just now installed. And to import that statement, to read a PDF file, download a PDF file and paste it in the exact location where the audiobook has been setted on your location. If not, you will find an error. Now let's check the number of pages of the PDF I have downloaded and pasted in the location. So it works properly. So I have downloaded this book and pasted in the exact location where the audiobook works in the PyCharm. Name the PDF whatever you have saved in your system and let the pages where it starts write the number of pages from where
tool, necessary to understand the baddies. Children detect if the or short stories. About love or with a happy ending. For babies and small children are ideal for.
The process has been finished successfully and we have got the successful disease. Let's check it again what the exact audiobook reads as in the PDF.
Story elements and characteristics of short fairy tales. This little collection of short tales online for kids contains an assortment of personalized and original fairy tales for an adequate preparation of children at bedtime, usually based on true stories. The online exhibition of the short stories for kids permits us to give each one a web page with a small commentary or analysis of the characteristics, elements, and characters of each story or tale. We will now see a summary of the principal.
So guys, our first audiobook has been created successfully. Stay tuned. Thank you.